I'm gonna show you how to find text and replace text in Visual Code. So to get started, you have to open your Visual Code right there, and then from there you just have to click on Control F, and or you can just go to Edit right here and then go to Find, and then the Control Find bar will just appear, and then from there you just have to search any of the text that you wanted to search or you wanted to replace. And then from there, type in the word that you wanted to search or change. So from there, if you type in the word title, it will search all of the same words. But there's a setting that if you want to match case or just the same with the ones that you type, or it's the same word. For example, this one title, if it's in Word, it will search all the words. Or if you click on just on the match case, it will just search the word with the same match as you texted or type it. And to replace the word, just have to type in what word you want to replace. The first one, you can just click on preserve case. If you want it to be the word or the first letter of the word, it will be uppercase. And then even though if you click it on a lowercase, and if you press enter, it will be on a preserved case, same as the first one. So if I click enter right here, it will be on uppercase since the first word is on capital letter, and I wanted to preserve the case of this one. And if you want to change all the words with a matching word that you search, you can either select all or change it into this one, replace singly or single-handedly, or you can replace it all. Also, you still have the option to preserve the case or subtext from here, and then that's it. That's how you change or find the text and replace it in VS Code.